Alright, I have been using the GEEKOM 2026 Multitasking Edition Mini for 2 weeks. Here is everything you need to know. Listen up, folks. You're about to get the inside scoop on a game-changing mini PC that's been blowing my mind since day one. This thing is not just a tiny desktop replacement. It's a full-fledged powerhouse that's ready to revolutionize your multitasking workflow. First off, let's talk about performance. The A7 MAX processor is an absolute beast. It's like having an entire office of high-end machines at your fingertips, minus the bulk and the hassle. With its next-gen Zen 4 architecture and 4nm process, this thing can handle anything you throw at it, from video editing to gaming without breaking a sweat. And then there's storage. I'm talking about fast, reliable, and expandable storage that won't bog you down with unnecessary upgrades. The 1TB M.2 NVMe Gen4 x 4 SSD is lightning fast, and the fact that you can upgrade it to 4TB means you'll never have to worry about running out of space again. But what really sets this mini PC apart is its multitasking capabilities. With up to 4 displays supported simultaneously, you can create a workspace that's as clean and efficient as your mind. No more clutter, no more distractions. And with dual 40 gigabits per second USB 4 ports and dual HDMI 2.0, transferring files is a breeze. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, folks, this thing has been a total game changer for me. The only thing that keeps it from being perfect is the global component shortages issue. But honestly, I'd rather have to wait a bit longer than compromise on performance. So here's the verdict. If you're looking for a mini PC that can keep up with your most demanding workflows, look no further. This thing is a total powerhouse that will blow your mind. Trust me when I say it's worth every penny. Hit subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. I will keep it straight with you. Then the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.